Hello and welcome to another installment of Mr.A tutorials. Today we'll be learning how to create this basic spacer plate that you see here on your screen. And like always, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll answer those questions as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to open up a new part file. And if I've gone ahead and brought in the dimensions we'll be using today so I can use for reference. First, I'm going to go ahead and start with this vertical line 6.5. Start at the origin and go up 6.5. And then you notice how I can go across 6.5 as well. And there's a little slant right there that I don't know the size of, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that as is for now and work my way around the other way. So I'm going to start a line command again. Now start from the bottom and go to the right 8. Actually, it's going to be 8 minus 2.5, which if we do a little bit of math, 8 minus 2 is 6, minus an additional 0.5 is 5.5. And then I'm going to go up 2.5, go across 2.5. And you notice I don't know the length of this vertical line either. So I'm going to go ahead and just create a vertical line there and create a slant. And you've noticed that this slant here is green, which means that not everything is constrained yet. So I have to make sure everything's dimensioned properly. I'm going to go ahead and dimension now from this point right before the slant all the way down here. This needs to be 5.5. Then also, I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, do I have all dimensions? Oh, now I'm going to go ahead and draw the circles. Everything else has been dimensioned. I can go ahead and dimension this right here. Right here should be 8. And if I place it right there, it's going to say it's already over constrained, which I've already decided that this is already 8 inches when I constrain everything else. So we know that's 8 inches. Everything else looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and move this dimension down a little bit here so that I can focus on the circles. For the circle, I'm going to go ahead and go to the circle command up here. And I'm going to draw 2 random circles. Right now it really doesn't matter the placing. We'll go ahead and worry about the placing a little bit later. First circle is going to be 2.5 inches in diameter. And the one up here is going to be 1.5. Now is whenever I really worry about the spacing. So now I'm going to go ahead from the top to the center of the circle. I can click on just a circle. I don't have to click on the midpoint. Click on the circle. It's going to be 1.5. And then from this vertical line to the center of the little circle is going to be 5. You can see how it automatically moves it to the proper place. Now from the circle to the bottom part right here needs to be 3 inches. And then from this vertical line to the center of the circle needs to be 2.5 inches. But now that everything's blue, which means everything's fully constrained, I can go ahead and finish my sketch. And when I extrude this image is going to go away because it will get consumed with my sketch 1. And let's go ahead and you can extrude it 1 inch. Press OK. Change the color. And then there it is. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.